So I start off my day at 6 a.m. with a workout. It doesn't always happen, but I try my best. This is me literally so tired. And first I wash my face just to make sure that I'm clean before the day. And then I brush my teeth just because I hate morning breath. And I change into my workout clothes. And of course, you can't forget deodorant. And then I fill up my water bottle, and the ice literally never goes in. I don't know why. Time to work out. The past few weeks I have been doing virtual workouts with my swim coach on Zoom, which I really enjoyed, and I do them Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday morning. After I'm done with my workout, I immediately go and shower, and it just happens that today is Wednesday, which means you know it, there's a new episode of Pretty Basic. And then I clean my room because it's literally so messy. For some reason, after I get ready in the morning, my room is always a mess. I don't know why. Then it's time for breakfast. Every morning I start off with a fruit smoothie, and then I'll have either some fruit toast or an egg, or sometimes both. After breakfast, it's time for school. Since today is late start, my school starts at 9:20, but usually I start at 8. I'm in class right now. I know it's kind of hard to see because lighting is super vibrant, but I'm just doing music class right now. We had a Zoom meeting to start, and now we have an assignment that we're gonna go off and do. It's about 9:40 right now. My class goes until 10:30, and then I have a quick break, and then another class, and then lunch. Some days I'll do work at my desk, but if it gets really hot by the window, then I'll move over to my bed. After my first class, it's time for coffee. Lately, I've been getting really into coffee, so let me know if you want to see a full recipe video. Then it's back to work. Hey guys. guys, I just finished math class. You can see I have all my stuff over here on my bed. I was getting super hard at my desk, so I decided to move over to my bed because it's not as much light over here, so it's a little bit colder. And now I'm going to go get some lunch. I have a student council meeting today, so I'm just gonna grab a quick bite to eat. For lunch, I usually try to eat healthy, but sometimes I'm in a rush, so I have to make something quicker. For lunch, I'm having some blueberries, chips, and a burrito. And then it's time for my student council meeting. And then it's my last class of the day. Today it was science, and let me tell you, I was bored for a real one. After that, I have athletics. Today we're doing a Pilates workout, and if I'm being honest, I really hated it. So my PE class is now over, and now I'm going to do a ting workout. Today is day 6 of the 2-week shred workout challenge. You guys will be seeing soon I'm making a video documenting my whole process along the 2-week challenge, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'm gonna do day 6. Next, I do ting with my friends. We've been on FaceTime calls lately, just doing it together, and I've actually really enjoyed it. After I do my workout, I go and take a quick shower just to rinse off. And yes, I do know that I took 2 showers today. I just do not like being dirty. After my shower, I get a quick snack. Today I'm having a fruit bowl. After I finish making my snack, I like to go upstairs and just have a quick break, go on my phone or watch a video. And then it's time to feed and walk my dog. Lately, I've really been enjoying walking my dog because it's so nice outside, especially with daylight savings and everything. It just gets so pretty. And now time for a quick little unboxing haul. Alright guys, I'm back from my dog walk and we got a package, which means it is time for an unboxing. Yes, let's cut her open. I didn't get much. First, I got this Axe Apollo 48-hour dry deodorant. I love this one. I don't know if you guys have seen it in my other vlogs, but I always use this one. It's my absolute fave. I'll put the link down below if you're looking for one, but it's so good. And next, I got this to-do list, this daily planner notepad. I actually saw this from an alishamarie video. I'll put the link down below to this one too. I've been struggling to find like a good to-do list because this one has like a specific format. It has like top 3 to-do, self-care, notes, that kind of stuff. It only took about a week to arrive, even with everything going on with the virus. I highly recommend. So I got back from my dog walk and now I'm just gonna get started on some homework because yes, I'm still in freaking school. We're basically full-time except we have some schedule modifications for distance learning, which I really appreciate. Time for some homework. By the way, you should totally follow me on Spotify. Link down below. After that, it's time for some homework. Lately, I've really been enjoying the distance learning workload. It's a little bit lighter than normal, but I still have a fair amount of work to do in the evenings. After homework, I get some dinner. Today we're having pasta with some meat sauce. It was really delicious. And then finally, I finish off the night with some Grace and Frankie with my mom. This is one of my favorite times of the day. I just get to chill and relax. It's our favorite show, and we actually just finished it, and now we're going back and watching season 1 since my mom hasn't seen it yet. Then I go and I wash my face. Sometimes I'll take a shower in the evening, but since I already took a shower after my afternoon workout, I decided to just wash my face. And then I brush my teeth. And then it's time to go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun filming it. Of course, please make sure to stay tuned for my premiere next Tuesday, May 12th at 12 PM PST. And of course, subscribe. Illy guys, bye.